Hi everyone! We'll be using Baoheng's student grade cold press paper block in this video. Today I'll be doing a quick comparison between Shinhan PWC's Ultramarine Light and Ultramarine Deep, both made with PB29. This is the typical ultramarine blue pigment that we can easily find in every brand of artist grade watercolors. I haven't done any color comparisons in a while, but this one has been one I've been telling people for a couple years now. Just never really had the chance to do so in video form. The main two things I want people to get from this is that if you're looking for a non-granulating ultramarine blue, do consider the Ultramarine Light as an option. It's one of the more affordable brands on Jackson's website at about £6 for a 15 milliliter tube. People tend to buy Shinhan in sets, and Ultramarine Deep is the one that is included. It's a great choice. It's a nice, solid, granulating ultramarine blue that does lean on the warmer end of the spectrum. But that also means that no one really has experienced the Ultramarine Light in their range. For as long as I've been on YouTube, I've always had people message me every now and then asking if I know of any non-granulating ultramarine blues. Not many brands have multiple ultramarine choices, but those that do tend to be on the more expensive side, like Schmincke and Daniel Smith. So I've always recommended Shinhan's Ultramarine Light. Granted, I haven't used it much myself, but I've had plenty of feedback from those that took my word of advice, bought the paint, used it, and love that they now have an affordable artist-grade option for a non-granulating PB29. The swatches on the bottom there are mixes with Van Gogh's Permanent Red Violet PV19 and Van Gogh's Transparent Yellow made with PY128. The color separation might not have shown up very clearly, but I do hope you can see that Ultramarine Deep is the one with granulation, and Ultramarine Light is the one with no granulation. Alright, that's all I have to share for today. As always, thank you so much for watching everyone. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.